This is the laundry mode. It's the menu, power button, lock key that kids can't press it once it's pushed in. This is laundry mode, timer mode, fan mode. You can increase the temperature from that. Dehumidifier mode. So if we switch it to fan mode, you can increase it or press it, this one. Yeah. This is the fan speed. Now if you want to switch to dehumidifier, that's dehumidifier, you can set the temperature or humidity level to whatever you prefer. Most preferably 35 or 4 people prefer. So once it reaches to that level, 40, it will turn off automatically and then restart when it goes below that. So this is the dehumidifier mode. Basically it's like 3 in 1. So laundry mode, fan mode, dehumidifier mode. So it depends what you prefer. The fan mode has air purifier as well, so it cleans the air, and yeah, it's got that ionic filter or something they call it. So you can switch back to fan and then press it again, full. Right. I'm going to turn it off. This is the model. This tank comes out once it's full on laundry mode or dehumidifier mode. So you empty the tank and empty the water and holding the phone as well same time. Let's push it back in. That's it. Hope that helps.